Hello, library methods in Java continued. And it is ABS. ABS is for absolute value. Absolute value is what? It is the value of a number irrespective of its sign. So if it is a negative number, then also the absolute value is the value part, which is the numeric without the sign. And if it is a positive number, then also it is the number which is without the sign. And if it is a fractional number, be it positive, be it negative, the value without the sign is called the absolute value. Yes, time to look into the program example now. And here is the example in front of you. Look at the number double n1 and n2. If they are double, then also it will work. So minus 28, its absolute value is 28. Minus 64.3, its absolute value is 64.3. And another example, if I choose the numbers as positive numbers, then the result comes as the same because the positive number is generally not written with the sign. So 32, which is plus 32, has become 32 without the sign. And if I supply integer, then it will return an integer. If I supply a decimal, then it will return a decimal, that is double. Okay, so this is not very tough. It is one that in which the sign is absorbed by the return. In the return, there is no sign. Okay, coming up are some more of the library functions. And the next one is max and min. How do you know what is max and what is min? Simple. Compare two numbers, the larger one will be max or maximum, and the smaller one will be min or minimum. Now you can pause the video, look at the numbers and guess, is your guess matching with what you are getting as the output? And I am going to come up with the program example demonstrated. So here it says max of P1 and Q1, min of P1 and Q1, math.max is the syntax, math.min is the syntax, and coming up is the program syntax. And here is the program example. How is it working? Look, n1 something, n2 something. Both of them are double. The return is coming in double. So if you look into the output, this is the output. How did I get the output? I executed this instance, I right clicked on it and clicked on main. Now maximum of the two numbers is 72.3 visible and the minimum of two numbers is 67.4 in this case. What are the methods? Math.max and math.min. The variable name is just a name. You can use a simple name if you want. You can call it G, you can call it S. So don't worry about the variable name. I just gave it to symbolically express what they are doing. And we can call this S. And if you want me to change the numbers to integer, then it is also possible because it works on both double and integer. I can change these numbers. And what will happen if I give the same number? Will it give the correct answer or will it give 0? Let us check. Or anything else. If both of them are equal, then what will the output be? Want to check? Yes. Let me see. Oh, maximum of both is 56 for equal numbers and the minimum is also whatever if the numbers are equal. Okay, your turn now to run them on your own and check the output. And there is one small one, another built-in method there which is called random. What does random do? Do you know? It returns a number which is a decimal, that means which is of double data type, which is greater than 0.0 and lesser than 1.0. It is anything. It will give you a value which can be unexpected. So if you use math.random, be prepared to get a surprising value in it. Let me show it to you. And here is the syntax of math.random. See, nothing has been done. Math.random and the variable rd is storing. It has to be of data type double because math.random returns a double value because it is in fraction greater than 0.0 and less than 1.0. One round of execution I have kept ready for you. See, the value is something. You would like to see once more if I run, what will the output be? I'm running it once more. See, the value has changed automatically. I just run the program and math.random puts a value in RD and that gets printed as anything which I cannot even guess. I don't even know what is going to come up if I run it once more. Okay, so now your turn to revise. If you require to see the video once again, see that, make your own experiments. Okay.